खरुमजरे ISTV पाउमियंग ताबिरबा सिंगोतराम नोकचरे हौजिमरोइबा पाउ एजुकेशन की मतंगना समाजदा अहोंगबा पुरकपना मतम कुइना चटकनी हाइना गवर्नर डॉक्टर अश्वनी कुमार फोंदोखरे हौजिबा पुंगिबा पाउ मखल अमतगी फोर्स सिजिनदुना समाजदा अवोनबा अहोंगबा पुरकपा वागने एजुकेशन की मतंगना समाजदा चौखटपा अवोनबा अमदि अहोंगबा पुरकपना मतम सांगना चटकनी हाइना मणिपुरी गवर्नर डॉक्टर अश्वनी कुमार फोंदोखरे
मखल कयागी फोर्स सिजनदुना समाजदा अहोंगबा पुरकपा तारबसु मतम कुइना चलोय हाइनसु गवर्नर डॉक्टर अश्वनी कुमारना फोंदोखि ngasi North AOC da leba Asajina Complex ta pangthokpa Governors Award amadi Rajkumari Sanatombi Devi Award ki hanthokpagi thoramadda Governor na wafam sing asi phongdokibani RK Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya Management Committee na sinduna pangthokpa thoramadda MP Dr. Risankai Singh Governor gi loinabi Chandak AK amadi Commissioner RK Nimai su saruk yaki soklising ma chamapan maripu humdoi dagi piba hokiba award sing asi handak chahi gi oina Education Sports amadi Traffic Police ki lamda apaba myoi sing khangatuna award khusinaki Governors Award na Vidyalaya asigi mairoi Kumari Srila Elangbamna Lauki Award asida Lupali Singh Tramanga amadi certificate yauri RK Sanatombi Devi Award Lokrabsing adudi Soklising ani shupna tarahumdoigi Class 10 Parikyada Makok Oikibi Miranda Mongjam Ozada Salam Baruni Devi amadi Nurjan Begum Sports ta fencing sanaroi W Thoibi Arm Wrestling Player Soram Rani Devi Judogi T S Kalpana Wrestling gi P Vidyarani Cycling gi Player T Vidya Lakshmi amadi Taekwondo gi Player Lemram Joypriya Chanuni aduga Traffic Police ki Ais Raseshwari Devi na phangke award asida lupa lising manga amadi certificate yauri amarom da handakta Mount Everest maton lomna karuba Manipur macha sing amadi RK Sanatombi Vidyalaya gi afaba mahiroi singsu mana piduna puning thogat ki thoram asida MP Risankai Singh na phongdokibada phatte haiba thabak sing yariba makai tawdaba phai Manipur amadi Bharat ngaktuna thamnana ba ekoi punna samaj da afaba thabak tawse mahiroi singsu mathok da puning sangdana mithoi mihan ba oinana ba hona se haiba wafam phongdoki
there is something which we don't all we are Manipuri, we are Indian, we are very fortunate. We have to thank the Almighty God for that. And we have to serve the country, we have to serve the state with best of our capacity. In order to render good service to our nation, we have to avoid all the evils that will affect your health, that will affect your character, that will affect everything yours. And we have to maintain it, we have to render the best service to our country and to our state and to our community. That is what one should do.
Governor Dr. Ashwani Kumar na makataraduna mithoi mihenba oiba haibasi masa masa gi matauda kanna honaduna puning changba amadi kathokba changi haiki allaman amadi mama mapabu kedonda thaksi khasi kaina chaloidabani Manipur gi nupa amadi nupi gi literacy percentage asi thaganingai ni hariduna magul leba education system ama Manipur da purakna bohanabada Manipur sarkar gi thaudang chaw haiba wafamsu mahakna phongdoki
I was happy to read that our state of Manipur has made tremendous progress in the last few years. However, in comparison to many countries of the world and many states of India, we are still far behind. Therefore, we need to lay greater stress on their education. Dear students and dear friends, the best way of changing people and transforming society is through education.
ISTV Paugidamak Boyaning Togzambo Loinana, Nauroibam Phillips, Asajina Complex, North AOC Info.
Wangkem Kendra Manung Dalai Bali Sam Lok Tat Naung Saba Primary Health Sub Center Ama Parliamentary Secretary K. Megasan Renasanga Kray National Rural Health Mission Ki Makada Lupa Lak Kunchang na Saba Primary Health Sub Center Adu Sangabagi Thoramda Health Services Ki Director Dr. A. Bijoy Yauna Marilena Ba Official Kayana Sarugya K. Thauranga Marilena Megasan Rena Haikibada Samaza Siki Praza Singh Lena Tina Jangdana Masamo Pana Lehenaba Bar Sarkana Program Kaya Paikali Thaurang Singasi Ekoi Puna Kangmina Duna Masi Kanaba Longanaba Honamina Si Haike Asigumba Primary Health Sub Center Ama Mafamasida Saba Asi Namdam Asigi Miyangi Yamna Kanaba Ama Oiragani Haike
Namsi Namna Corporation Piba Masu Golena Pakali program is successful in the Sida the guy Halaman Naibil Fulama Tagasari
Langthabal Block Congress Committee na sinduna Langthabal Kunja Makhalekai Awang Community Hall da Food Security Bill gi matang da miyam da khanganaba mifam ama pangthokre. Langthabal Block Congress Committee gi miyoy kayana saruk yakhiba thoramadu da committee gi executive member Mutum Dinesh na food security ase thabak oina paikhatnaba Congress na bill oina pass tawkre. Masibu atoppa political party kharana election maya da miyambu apangba sibani haina hairiba wafam ase angakpa poi haike. Ningthau Khong Model High School asi mangan gadawre haina Ningthau Khong Municipal Councillor BJP Legislature Party na thadorokpa cherol amana hari regular assistant headmaster amana headmaster in charge amadi DDO oina puriba sibu transfer toktholaga graduate teacher amabu headmaster in charge amadi DDO oina thamnaba honariba ase niyom gi wangmadani tathariba niti niyom ase sarkar gi mathong hoktaba thawongi hari All Manipur Minor Irrigation Department Employees Union na tolop pithopiu haiba dabi togduna jangshiliba khongjang ase ain gi wangmadani haina department asigi assistant engineer PK Sona chief engineer gi favor da che tharaktuna ki halakle hare amarom da minor irrigation department ki work charge amadi master role chahum kunthra gi phangpham thokpa tha mapal gi tolop yauna tongan ba dabi kaya togduna ngarang dagi hauna khongjang jangsilakli ba sigi matang da M2 gamadi MGO gi JC gi secretary full Larik Yengbam na Fongdorpada, Karmachari Singna Masagi Hak Pangnaba, Democratic Oiba Kongjang Sangsin Bada, Dabi Adu Pitopagi Mahuta, Makoida Che Taratuna, Kianbagi Tabak Jatarakpa Si Yaning Day, Wapamasi, Marilena Ba, Makok Tongba, official Sinda Kangalagani Hike.
Kushuman Bibi Hajabada, Madu, the rightful demand J, Dabi J, Pangana Honazarapumadamda, Smite treating later than Mamakoji, Kadikano, Afugi, Court of Conduct, Adudu, Kadikano Hajandara. CCS conduct rules matungina say punishable way to the other illegal way and hiding the this is all lame scrutiny lame threatening money the masi labor employees work charge of the master labor employees may am sina masi ningan na yade maruina masi at the best level of the chief secretary at the assistant chief secretary alone principal secretary minor irrigation project ngasi unajage maruina we have to publicize all the walks of life. Notice the work with me.
Singjamai Chingamaka Oinam Neraktagi Sagatpam Tombagi Masanupa Yaikomba Sagatpam Kauba Sahitara Tarum Suraba Mu Ama Chatkiba Tang Marigi Numidang da Mayumdagi Tokibadagi Hanzilak Trehari Mark Foot Manga Inchi Mangarong Wangi Masapai Kuchumui Mark Bukanagumba Singna Tengarabadi Manakna Populous Station da Pau Pibu Hari Manipur da library gi ihau sagalamba saknairaba Manipur University gi Dr. Ais Atul Chandra gi mitam ama ngasi Manipur University gi library da hangdokre Manipur University amadi Atul Chandra gi mung manungna sinduna library hall da pangthok patharamadu da saknairaba musicologist L Virendra Kumar Manipur University gi vice chancellor Professor S Nanda Kumar Manipur Sahitya Parishad ki president E Dinamani na chingba mi kyana sarugya ke Professor S Nanda Kumar na Atul Chandra gi maramda khangnana ba website ama Lagani Haike. Library gi ihau sagalamba aduna ngasigi library gi thak asi yauba ngamlibani masimak Atul Chandra gi chawrba khudol amani haike. L Virendra Kumar na laikhidraba Atul Chandra asi hiram kayada miyam gi luchingba amani mahak asi library gi ihau sagatnaba honaramba lamyanba amani haike. Sangai Artists Association gi nauna puthokpa Sumang Lila Naire Hegi Yaifa Thongni Thoram ngasi Boyama Sumang Lila Sanglenda pangthokre Thormaduda Manipur State Kala Academy gi Secretary Bideshwar Sharma Sumang Lila Council gi President Gunachandra yauna tongan ba miyoy kyana sarugya ke Lila asigi aibana Dinesh Tongbramni Director na Ibo Yaima Khumani Ngarang numidang dagi chukiba akanba nongna maram oiduna Manipur gi mafam kharada yumda fawba ising hajinba yauna maru oiba lambi amadi lerak khulak sing ising thumjinduna miyamna waba mayokna ke miyoy kayana phongdok narakpada mari leinaba sarkar gi miyoy singna matamga chunaba drain chandaba amadi miyoy kayana masa gi khanduna lam khopjin nakibadagi hana leiramba khongbal sing peksilakpa amadi nauna iram nala sengdabadagi ichumna maram oiduna ising chawhanbani haiba wafum kaya phongdok narakle ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯚꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯇꯥꯏꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯏꯔꯝ ꯅꯂꯥ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯅ ꯏꯆꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯅꯔꯛꯂꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯅ ꯁꯃꯥꯖꯇ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯒꯚꯔꯅꯔ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯁ꯭ꯋꯤꯅꯤ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ISTV ꯄꯥꯎ ꯃꯤꯌꯦꯡ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ